Slow.
Live in a big mansion, party and friends. You better work. You better work.
Oh my god, can you help me? My hair is so messed up, like it keeps itching.
Pause. Are you experiencing dry, irritated, itchy, flaky scalp? Well, Extensions Express Hair Bar has the remedy. We are located at 6062 Greenbelt Road, Greenbelt, Maryland, inside of Beltway Plaza Mall, across from the TJ Maxx.
It's so dry and so itchy. I just can't do anything with it. Like, can you help?
Well, let's go, honey. We got the remedy. Offer hydration treatments for dry scalp.
It's beautiful, Jaguar. I love it.
Yes,
Oh my
and this
goodness.
is how we do install at Extensions. Bring the life back to your hair, shine, and everything. We also offer treatments, trims, so while you're wearing your wigs or extensions, honey, you can also get your natural hair service here too. So make sure you call us at 301-220-1300. Again, that's 301-220-1300. And we also have pictures available on our website at www.getmyextensions.com.